Welcome back to another one, and today we are going to take a look at a solution which is the Orei 8K switcher for those that have a TV or a display that only has one or two HDMI inputs and you want to connect your mini multimedia Windows 11 computer, your Android TV box, your Apple TV 4K, your gaming console, your laptop. You are limited with the HDMI inputs, but at the same time you don't want to lose the video and audio quality that our devices are capable of transmitting by using a device that it's not compatible with those formats, which I can say right now that the Orei switcher model right over here is capable of handling up to 8K 60Hz, 4K 120Hz and a lot more. Now, if you are, by the way, watching this video on your Windows computer and you still haven't activated, don't forget to check out Kingsfan, a platform that we have been using for the past few months, where we can find official OEM keys at an affordable price, Windows 10, Windows 11. If you use the coupon code that you can see on screen and I will leave down below, you will get an extra discount. So just in case you want to check that out, I will leave the link next to the Orei switcher. Now let's take a quick look at it. Inside the package we will find the Orei switcher, the power adapter, a infrared remote and also the manual. Connectivity wise it's very simple. We will have 4 HDMI inputs, a power input and one single HDMI output, and basically this will be the way that we will connect our devices. Instead of connecting my NVIDIA Shield TV directly to the TV, I will connect the HDMI cable to one of the inputs, my Apple TV to another one, my mini computer to another one, and my laptop, for example, to another one. And then the HDMI cable that we connect to the output will be the one connecting to our TV. And basically, this is it. I did connect to my HDMI 1, my Windows 11 mini computer, to the HDMI 2, my NVIDIA Shield TV, on the HDMI 3, the Apple TV 4K, and then on the HDMI 4, my MacBook Pro. And the way that we will select each of the sources is by clicking on this button right over here, which will cycle through 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and this is the limitation. It will cycle through. We will not be able to select from 1 to 4 or 1 to 3 or 3 to 1. We are limited by the cycle. But if we use the remote control that comes included, then we will be able to select from 1 to 3, 4 to 2. It will not have any kinds of limitations, so we just need to select the number or the input that we want. There is a small delay when we switch from one to the other, and probably you have seen on screen we'll have 1 second or 1 second and a half, something like that. I didn't measure, with a black screen. But after that, we will have the image of the source that we have selected. And this is normal because we have seen this with our TVs. When we are selecting from one source to the other, it will take 1 second or 2 seconds to be able to switch from one to the other one. So this one right over here will be exactly the same. But after that, everything will run smoothly. One of the things that I do believe that it's very important is video and audio synchronization, because if we don't have that, then probably the experience will be completely ruined. I did test out on all the platforms, Android, macOS, Windows and Apple TV 4K, and everything went just smoothly without any issues whatsoever. Besides that, we can also achieve 8K at 60Hz or 4K at 120Hz. So if you want to play games directly from your computer to your big screen TV or projector, then this will be a device that it's capable of. Probably not intended to that, but with 120Hz we are more than capable. Besides that, we will be able to achieve 10-bit video, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, HLG, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD, and a lot more, which I'll post something right over here on screen, and I will leave a link down below so that you can check all these specifications, so that you can select one device that will enable us to connect several devices to our single HDMI input, but at the same time without sacrificing any of the video and audio capabilities of our devices. And that is it, a simple device which will help us to have a better experience with our TV and our multiple devices that we want to connect. Hopefully the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.